Hi, before we start, I'd like to share with you the circle of success of a masterful engineer. What we like to do is to aim big, and that's why we aim at these 5 important points. So number 1, to have a positive mindset and personal development. Number 2, attract customers via Google reviews. Number 3, do a first-rate job by following the masterful engineer ethics. Number 4, retain customers for repeat business. And number 5, gain referrals from existing customers. So that's it. Now, on with the show. Hi, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on gas portfolio. So what we do as part of the masterful engineer journey, we help people like Karaman do his gas portfolio. So once he goes through his gas portfolio and gets his accreditation for his ACS, he then can apply to go to the gas safe and get his gas safe ticket. Once he does that, then he can progress onto his boiler repair accelerated training and go through our training program to assist him becoming a masterful engineer. So Karaman, how did you find me when you was looking for your gas portfolio?
I was basically searching online to get help with my gas portfolio. And then I come across your website, and then I checked it on YouTube to find out more about you. And I could see I found the right place to start my gas portfolio with, and I'm very happy that I did. Tony's really very helpful and take me through from everything, and I've been learning a lot since doing my gas portfolio with him. So thank you, Tony.
Excellent. So this is what we do. We help people to progress through the ranks and becoming a masterful engineer. So as I said, if you want to be like Karaman, follows his steps, you just click on the link below. You can find out more about what I do on my boiler repair accelerated training and also gas portfolio training. So that's going to be the end of this short video on gas portfolio. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.